got a number of bits I'm going to use. I'll try this one first. It's so this guy does this. That'll work, just take a while. So when I'm grinding this drain opening to get this to fit, given that this has a slope here, I want to maintain a slope as I make this opening bigger. And I want it to be uniform and symmetrical, so I don't want to, like, over here, you know, it needs to be a uniform circle. And the way to do that when you grind this guy is just keep going around the edges. So you don't want to spend too much on one part of the circle. You want to just keep going around and around so that you make it symmetrical and uniform as it gets bigger.